Hello boys and girls. In this video I'm going to be telling you how to make yourself look sick. No prep work required. No makeup required. You can start looking sick right off the bat. You're welcome, lazy people. Queries of the Interweb. What's going on, y'all? Joel here, and I amusingly answer questions that are searched for every single day on the interwebs. If this is your first time here, please smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any bad advice. For those of you who have been subscribed to me for a while, you know that I've been making other videos on how to make yourself sick in some way or another. I've put a playlist in the description with all the videos I've made that tell you how to make yourself sick in some way. How to get yourself a fever, how to give yourself a cold, how to lose your voice. All those videos are in the playlist below. You can go check them out. I wanted to make a video to cater to those of you who, well, are pieces of crap and don't feel like doing any prep work or anything in order to make yourself sick. You just want to look sick right off the bat. You just want to convince the world that you are sick right now, no work required, and I got you. So we're going to be walking through a few ways on how to make yourself look sick. Now keep in mind that being sick isn't just about how you look physically, but it's also about how you behave. People can perceive you as being sick based on the things that you do and the way that you're acting. Now I'm gonna cover a few basics here. Let's say that you're making yourself a smoothie. Every smoothie has a base, right? Some sort of liquid base that you put all the crap into. Sometimes it's water, sometimes it's milk, and then you put all the veggies and kale and whatever other disgusting crap you want to put in there. Pretending to be sick has a base as well. So I'm going to give you the base. I'm going to give you the milk of your being sick smoothie. There's two things that you can always do to initiate the process of being sick. Again, I don't want you to have to do any prep work, but these are always good things to keep in mind if you know you're going to be faking sick or trying to look like you're sick. The first thing is sleep deprivation. When you haven't been sleeping in a while, that gives you a certain vibe, all right? Like, this guy is tired, this guy is weak. And also, if you haven't eaten anything in a while, think of those things as the base. We're gonna go through a few symptoms here, okay? You can recreate these symptoms to make yourself look sick. I'm not gonna tell you to slap yourself in the face until your eyes turn red or mess up your hair, because if you're like me right now, you don't really have any hair to mess up. Let's think about this practically, okay? What do sick people do? So I'm gonna walk you through 5 behaviors that you can start doing right now that are gonna give people the perception that you are sick. First thing you need to do is have low concentration. Poor concentration is a big giveaway. Let's say that you're talking with your friends about, something that normally interests you. Asking people to repeat the question, acting like you didn't hear the question, acting like you're not focused, staring off into space, doing things that give people the perception that you can't pay attention. Those things will tell the people around you that something must be up with this guy or a gal. Now, if that's how you act anyway, then nobody's gonna bat an eye. Not being able to focus, not being able to concentrate, that's one behavior that people have when they're sick. Another way to make yourself look sick is to have low motivation. So let's say your parents are like, "Hey sweetie, we're going to Disneyland." And you're like, "Yeah, sure, no, that's cool, that's all right. I guess I'll go pack my bag." Not being motivated to do things that would normally excite you, that's another way to make yourself look sick. Your girlfriend asks you, "Hey, you wanna make out?" And you're like, "Yeah, I suppose we could do that for a little bit." Yeah. OMG, are you sick, boy? Another way to make yourself look sick is with irritability, all right? Moodiness. I'm not gonna bring up that monthly thing women go through. I'm not gonna bring that up. And I just did bring it up. Crap, I'm screwed. Getting easily angered or easily upset or easily offended. Changing your emotion every 2 seconds. People are gonna see, "Dude, what is up with you? Are you hangry?" You ever get hangry and start acting like an asshole because you're hangry? Having a lot of mood swings and overreacting to things that really shouldn't be that big of a deal, that's another way to make yourself look sick. Now again, some people are like this all the time, so it'll be hard to notice. Now, one of the biggest indicators of sickness is not having an appetite, saying that you're not hungry. When you're out with friends or you're at your home or whatever and you just refuse to eat or say you're not hungry or don't want to eat anything, the first thing people always ask is, "Oh, are you okay? Hey, you don't want to eat something?" I'm like, "Hey, why aren't you eating something? Just have a little bite." Like, people are so pushy when it comes to food. I don't know why. Like, saying that you're not hungry is a red flag to a lot of people. At how to make yourself look sick, method number 5 is having no coordination. People who are sick have no hand-eye coordination. They're always falling on their face. They're always tripping over crap. They're always messing crap up. Just be a uncoordinated piece of shit. Alright, again, if that's you in real life, then no one will bat an eye. You combine those behaviors with not sleeping and not eating, you're gonna look sick right off the bat. Now you know how to make yourself look sick. Go cure cancer, kids. You're learning valuable information here. The next generation is screwed, thanks to me. Share this video with your friends and tell them about me and how awesome I am. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!